Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by mounting your storage so Colab can access data. This is fast and avoids repeated uploads. First, import and mount Google Drive, then authenticate when prompted. Once done, check the file path with a simple list command to verify location and permissions. Make sure the notebook kernel has access to the right drive account and that file names match exactly. Mismatches are the most common cause of file not found errors. Next, load the actual data into a data frame so you can work with it. Use pandas. Read CSV for CSVs, include parameters like SEP or encoding if parsing fails. For Excel, use read Excel with sheet name to target the correct sheet. If the dataset is local, use files. Upload to transfer it or use GSoodle when reading from Google Cloud Storage. As you load, inspect with DF, head, and DF info to confirm types and spot missing values early, which saves debugging time later. Finally, process and persist your work. Clean missing values, convert types, and create any necessary features. Once ready, save output back to Drive so it persists. Use DF to CSV with an explicit path and index equals false. If you hit issues, restart the kernel and rerun cells, verify file paths and drive permissions, and recheck that the mount is still active. One key tip: if uploads fail, remount Drive and confirm you granted access to the notebook. This resolves most access-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.